Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate of this POCO. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access display section. In it, scroll down again, tap on refresh rate and click on the best option for you. Then click on the back button. As you can see, when I do that, refresh rate of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!